Okay. So, hello, good evening to everyone. Before we start our interview session, please introduce yourself. I am Afrina.
I am RABIATUL. I'm SHARIFAH, HANNAKAMELIA.
I'm AFFIKAH.
And I'm SYUHAIDAH.
Okay. So, I would like to introduce the entrepreneur that we interview, Mr. Abu Bakar bin Ramlan. So, Mr. Abu Bakar holds a diploma in mechanical engineering and has a many years of experience in the facility maintenance and engineering industry. Before starting his own business, he worked at Hospital Kuala Lumpur where he gained valuable technician knowledge and practical experience in maintenance and engineering services. He is the founder of the Honor Cemara Bayu Engineering, a facility maintenance and engineering company located at Taman Lembah Maju, Kuala Lumpur, Ceras. The company was established in 2017 and has operating for approximately 8 years. So, Mr. Abu Bakar was inspired to his business after gaining extensive experience in the industry. After leaving Hospital Kuala Lumpur, he began taking on projects independently, eventually established his own company with an initial capital appropriately. So, Mr. Abu Bakar, you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I start with the first question. So what is inspire you to start an electrical services company?
Okay. Hello. Assalamualaikum, everybody. Okay. Uh, Firstly, my name is Abu Bakar. I'm owner Cemara Engineering. Okay. So back to your question. Actually, before starting my own company, I worked in the maintenance field for many years, around 10 years, especially my base on Hospital Kuala Lumpur. So I need to handle all hospital, government hospital. Through the experience, I have a lot of technical knowledge and practical skill. Over time, I saw growing demand maintenance and engineering services. So I decide to start my own company field.
So how much capital was needed to start the business and how you obtain?
I start the business with around 50K from my own saving. Before that, I worked at hospital for years. While working there, I got about and engineering work. The experience inspired me to start my own business. I start getting small project on my own and slowly build the company from there.
Have you experienced a major business failure or setback and what did you learn from it?
Yes, definitely. One of the biggest setback was during COVID-19 pandemic when many projects were delayed and business activities slow down significantly. It was difficult period at the time, but I thought me the importance of financial planning expected situation.
Talking about COVID-19, who were your main customers for maintenance services before the pandemic?
Before pandemic, most our customer were commercial building in private sector. We focus on facility management company, contractors, government agency. We handle various maintenance project, electrical works, air conditioning system, and building support services lah. So most of our client is in private sector.
Okay. How was your business performing before COVID-19 and the lockdown?
Before COVID-19, the business was growing steadily. Okay, we are receiving project consistently and our operation running smoothly. There were many opportunities in facility maintenance and engineering services. So business performance was quite stable at the time.
During the pandemic, how did the pandemic affect your business operation, daily activities? during the lockdown period?
Oh, the pandemic had a significant impact on our daily operation. Movement restriction, limited access to project site, staff mobility was affected, and many projects had to be postponed. As a result, business activity become much slower compared before the pandemics.
Okay, so I will continue. What was the biggest challenge your business has faced during the lockdown?
The biggest challenge was such a project delay due to movement restriction. Our workers could not travel freely to work site. Also, some projects were postponed, and there were also delays in obtaining materials and equipment needed of certain jobs.
During the COVID season, what was the biggest challenges and how did you overcome them?
The biggest challenge were reduced project opportunities, lower income, and movement restriction. To overcome this challenge, we focus on essential maintenance services that we still needed during the lockdown. We also manage our expenses carefully and receive support through the grant khas prihatin that time, which helped ease some of the financial pressure. This effort helped us keep the business running despite the difficult situation.
And then how was the business performing during the lockdown? Like, were there any changes in your business, in the sales or business strategies?
Business was definitely slower during the lockdown period. Sale and project opportunities decreased compared to before. Okay. However, we adjusted our strategies by focusing on essential maintenance services and maintaining strong communication with existing clients. This helped us keep the business running despite the challenge.
Okay, next, I will continue the question. What was the most effective strategy or tactic you used to keep the business cash flow stable during a period when the market was extremely slow?
The most effective strategy was focusing on services that remain essential even during difficult periods. Maintenance services were still needed by many clients. So we prioritize this job. At the same time, we manage our expenses carefully to ensure the company could continue operating.
Okay, next, what challenge did you face when applying for or receiving government assistance as a facility maintenance?
During the COVID-19 period, we apply for the grant khas prihatin GKP. That's what provided by government at the time. The application process required us to prepare some supporting document and business information. So there were a few procedures that needed to be complete. Okay. Fortunately, our application was approved, and the assistance helped reduce some of the financial burden faced by the company during the lockdown period.
Okay, next question is, were the incentive and support provided by the government sufficient and useful for your business during a lockdown?
Yes, the government support was helpful for me. It was quite limited. During the COVID-19 period, my business received a one-off payment around 3,000 through the grant khas prihatin. Although the assist had reduced some of the financial burden, it was not enough to cover all business expenses. By the way, at the time, government also allowed EPF withdrawal under special COVID-19 incentive. So we use part of my personal EPF saving to support the business and cover operational costs. Without those source, our financial support, it would be much more difficult for the business to survive during the lockdown period.
So what is inspired you to continue running the business despite the challenges during the pandemic?
What kept me going was my responsibility towards my employees, okay, client and family also. I knew many people depends on the company, so giving up was never on an option. I believe that every challenge will eventually pass, and with passion and hard work, the business could recover.
Did 19 COVID change the way you manage or market about your business?
COVID-19 changed many aspects of the business. We became more flexible in managing operation and start using digital platform more effectively. Even today, we continue using this method because they have improved communication and reach more customer to us.
Has the company started digital platform or social media?
Yes, we have started using social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, business, and Thread also to promote our services. Nowadays, many customers search for service provider online. Yeah. So having an online present help us attract potentially client and build stronger brand awareness.
What are the company's goal and plans for future growth?
Our goal is continue growing as a trusted facility maintenance and engineering company. We want to expand our services, improve our technical capabilities, and secure more projects from both government and private sector while maintaining a high quality standard.
So, are there any upcoming project or expansion that the company is excited about?
Yes, at the moment we are handling maintenance project for landscaping and housekeeping services at Bangunan Puspanita, Kuala Lumpur. We were also involved in facility maintenance works at TRX City Sdn Bhd and TRX District Management Sdn Bhd. This project are important for us because they help us gain more experience and build stronger relationship with client. In the future, we hope to take on even bigger project and continue expanding our services.
Okay, so last question. What advice would you give to students who want to pursue a career in electrical industry or facility maintenance?
Don't focus only on theory. The electrical industry requires technical knowledge, hands-on skill, and problem-solving abilities. Be willing to learn continuously, work hard, and always maintain a positive attitude because these qualities are very important for long-term success.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Abu Bakar, for sharing our valuable experience and insight with us. We truly appreciate your time and willingness to answer our question.
You're welcome. I hope my provide some useful lessons.